Imagine waking up one morning and see 450,000 naira in your bank account. How are you going to feel? That is the feeling I have right now. You can see the screenshot of my earnings. So you guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make much more on TikTok without posting videos. Literally, you're not going to be posting videos while you make this money, but I'm also going to be showing a step whereby you can also post videos and this particular money. Like, I'm so overwhelmed because I've not made such amount in a particular night, but this one just came at a go. I'm making like $100, $200, $50, $25, just like that. But this came as a big blow to me because I made over $300 and something, which accumulated to 450,000 that I withdraw to my OPay. So I'm literally going to withdraw this money direct. I withdraw from TikTok to my pounds account. From my pounds account, I withdraw to my Nigeria bank account. I made a video on how to withdraw your earnings. So this one will be cho. This one will be go come. This one now real. Why in Nigeria you're making your money in pounds and you're converting to naira? So I'm going to be telling you guys step by step on how you're going to make this money right on TikTok. So if you're somebody that you're just whiling away, you have your smartphone, you have data, and you're using it to listen to Instagram gossip, I don't know. I have no words for you. All I have to tell you is that you should come to TikTok to make money, because when you're not making money, you're going to be seeing a lot of things are going to be annoying you because you don't even know what to do. But this is a trick I'm going to be telling you guys how to make this particular money right here on TikTok. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So there are different monetization options on the UK TikTok account, but you can also use your Nigeria TikTok account to make this money too. What you have to do is to grow, like to connect to people, to let people know that you have to be consistent. Let people know that you're a consistent creator. If you're consistent, you're going to be seeing a lot of people joining you. So that's the utmost truth. If you're not consistent, you're not going to make it. Not because you're not consistent, you're not going to make it on TikTok. You have to show up every day. Let the algorithm know that you're active. That is how you make this particular money right on TikTok. So the way I made this money, like when I first made my first £24 on the UK TikTok account, my eye first blow, because I don't even know, I don't know what to do. But then I made it on the TikTok shop for creator. On a particular night where I was doing a shoppable live, I got somebody that came in and bought the product, and I made my first £9 using my UK TikTok account. So you guys, but the way I made my 450,000 was the life reward. Yes guys, the life reward. I was always coming on live stream. I was consistent. Even when I don't have this, I look for a way out. I was consistent. I was showing up every day. That is the spirit of consistency. When you show up every day, you're going to see that it's going to happen for you so fast. On the life reward, you can make money. Somebody can send you a gift of video gifts. You can also earn money. So there are several monetization options which I'm going to be telling you everything. All you have to do is just keep listening to this video. You're going to get everything. So even if you want to create a you want to create content, you can use the creator rewards program. So what I keep saying is consistency. So a particular night when I was doing a shoppable live, he just came on my live stream. I was like, buy a particular product from me, and then it started to buy the product, and I was able to earn a commission. So I sold a product that is £150 and my commission was £9 on that particular product. Just imagine how much more you're going to make when you keep posting. That is, you can be in Nigeria and you're accessing the TikTok shop for creator. I made a video how I explain how you can access the TikTok shop for creator. Why in Nigeria? That is, you are in Nigeria and you're using your UK account effectively. So when the purpose of people also using the UK account is that you can join the Creator Rewards program. The Creator Rewards program is a program whereby they pay you for your content. That is, your videos that are 1 minute and longer. When it gets the qualified amount of views, you get paid. And when also your videos comes from the FYP, you're going to get paid as well. So these are I'm just trying to explain the process of all this monetization, so you can go for the one that is equivalent for, and that the one that is very simple for you to access. So the life reward is the easiest. All you have to do is just stream. Go on live stream, connect to people, tell people join my live stream, let's vibe, let's connect, let's grow. Some people, they do boss battles on their live stream. If you go to TikTok, you see a lot of boss battles, Destiny Helper boss battles. People are just there to have fun. Why people from another trick that people use to gain helpers are people from the US. Connect to people from the US, go to their live stream, connect to them, be their friend, follow them, they're going to follow you back. Tell them, nice to meet you, I love to be your friend. Comment on their videos. Those that are kind will come back to show you love. You might be surprised how they are going to show you love, because a Destiny Helper, she was like the lady that came to me when I first made my first $100. Oh my gosh, she's a sweetheart. I don't even know her from Adam. I don't know her from anywhere. She just came in that night. I was playing a live match with a lady and she came in and blessed me so massively. She gave me up to 10,000 diamonds just in one go. I just met her. I don't know her from anywhere. I don't know her, mind you. I made $100 on that night. Like, I was so speechless. Only that lady has gifted me more than, like, if I can say, she has given me more than $500, because anything you make on TikTok takes 50% of the earnings. So that is to say, if somebody gives you a lion that cost about $300, you're going to be getting $150. So you see, so eventually if they're not taking about 50%, you're going to be earning much more. So you see the spirit of consistency. When I made 450,000 naira in one night, I was consistent. That happened about 3 a.m. Nigerian time. 3 a.m. you are whiling away and sleeping on your bed. How many people will be awake by that time? But I was awake 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. If you go on TikTok, if you see girls streaming, they're talking about random things, they are playing matches, people come in and bless them. You see boys having like they are dancing with their mom, they're just like telling people, come in, connect. People like to have fun. You see people from the US, from the UK, they love to just have fun. They want to just come to your live stream and have fun. These are the things that people do on TikTok and actually make money. Some you see on their caption, they'll just say, support us, you can send money to our Azad, because everybody in Nigeria know what Azad is, so you can send money to us. So some people, if they don't want to like let TikTok to take 50% of the earnings, all they have to do is send the money direct to their bank account. So you see a lot of people, they will tell you the highest tapper gains also amount. So if you see all those big kings that do boss battles and all of them, if you come to their live stream and you tap to a certain amount, they're going to be crediting. Sometimes they credit you with 50,000, sometimes they credit you with 30,000. These are the several methods you can earn money in Nigeria. So if you're a single lady, if you're still at home mom, and you know that you're not going to have an issue with your hobby disturbing you and all of that, all you have to do is do TikTok. So if you're a single lady, all you have to do is do TikTok. Come on live. If you have data, if you have your smartphone, what are you waiting for? If you're a single guy, you don't have anything you're doing, come to TikTok, start building your followers. Start building your followers. You're going to start doing boss battles. You're going to see people that are going to be turning up. And when you do boss battles, even if you don't receive the gift directly into, like, people are not sending the gift directly to you, they're sending it to the people in your guest, in your room, you're having a percentage. So in a particular night whereby I organized the boss battle, they were not even sending the gift directly to me, but I was able to make $30 on that particular night. So that is to say, you don't even have to receive the gift directly for you to earn. If you're hosting a boss battle, you can also earn. Yes. So these are the things. Why I keep concentrating on the life reward is because that's the way that I earn the money very quickly. So if you don't have time to create content, you don't have time to do all of those, all you have to do is streaming every day. When you are consistent and you start having a lot of people viewing you when you're on live, you start having a lot of people joining you, like 100, 200 people will be coming to your live stream to earn. And you can give a criteria that you have to send me a certain amount of gift before you come up in the bus to gain followers. You will see people that will be willing to do that. Yes, you see people that will be willing to do that, to send you the amount so that they can earn. So what are you snoozing about, you guys? Make sure that you're using all of these tips, because nobody will give you these tips for free. But I'm giving you guys for free because I am very kind and I want us to all make money online. So if you're somebody that don't have anything taking your time, the right platform to you for you to be is TikTok. So if you don't have time to do long videos like this, all you have to do is come to TikTok, because that is the way you're going to make the money. So you guys, I'm going to be attaching my reactions right here, so you guys can see the reaction when I got my lion. I got 2 lions down. That is to say, I made over 62,000 diamonds, and 62,000 diamonds is about $600. You see that? $600. Just calculate how much is $600. So I was able to get 300 and something dollar. That equivalent to almost 400 and more than 450K. Compared to the ones that I've been making, that is just the amount that I made in a particular night. So I just came here to tell you guys how you can actually make this money. So let's not make this video very, very short. Like, I don't want it to be longer than this. So you guys make sure that you use these tips that I just gave you now. And if you have not created your UK account or your regular TikTok account, make sure that you do that today. And then you guys, I'll be having a masterclass on how to earn money on TikTok. So if you want me to guide you one-on-one, this is the flyer here. It doesn't cost much, it's just 5,000 naira. So you guys, if you're interested, you can send me a message on the WhatsApp number you see on the flyer there. I'll also include my WhatsApp number in the description, so you guys are interested in the class can to write me, it just costs 5,000 naira. I'll be guiding you, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know on that TikTok, so you can equally make money. So all you have to do, you just have your data and your phone. I'm sure you have data that you use to view people's stories and all of that. You go to TikTok, you go to Instagram for gossip and all of that. Why not putting that data into work? So you guys make sure that you connect me to that WhatsApp. Write me on WhatsApp so I can add you to the group, so you can have the class just for 5,000 naira. The dates, everything will be on this flyer you see here. So when a lot of people join, so we're going to start up the class. So you guys, please do not forget to like on this video, comment and subscribe to this channel, because I bring you tips like this. I bring you great tips like this. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next upload. Thank you. Bye.